Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo video doorbell 2nd generation. This is the HD version. With this doorbell you can do either a wired or wireless install. The wireless install is of course battery powered. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, let's pull out the doorbell. So, of course, you want to make sure before you set this up, you want to charge it up fully. Okay, so on the face, we have the camera lens, we have the microphone, we have the PIR motion sensor, we have the light sensor, and then we have the video doorbell button, which basically provides two-way audio. On the bottom, we have the speaker. Okay? So, in the box, we have the quick setup guide. Alright, the Arlo safety and compliance information. Alright, and let me add that on the quick setup guide, we have a QR code that you use to download and install the Arlo app if you haven't done that already. Alright. This right here is the mounting plate. This little pin right here is the release pin. And I'll show you how to do that later. I'll show you how to use that. Let me pull the rest of this stuff out of here real quick. Alright, so here are the screws and anchors used to mount it. Alright. This right here, if you're going to do a wired installation, here are the wire extensions and wiring nuts. And last but not least, we have the USB-C charging cable. Okay? Alright, so let me talk a little bit about this release pin for a second. Alright, so on the top, you see we have this little hole. Okay? So we are going to stick the pin in here, and once you stick the pin in there, it allows you to pull off the back cover. There we go. The back cover's off. Alright, so with the back cover exposed, you could see the USB charging port, and when we pair this thing, you're going to use this little release pin to basically press the pairing button. So that's what this is used for. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series, where I will cover how to set up the doorbell. Thank you very much.